two more events to go and two massive events to be worked off in the finale.
Well, the next event to be lined up, Group P standard modified motorcycles up to 1000cc. It's the open event for the bikes, and the battle is on for the BOC trophy. Previously, in the times done, Chandra Di Costa, late UD Jinadasa, proved their worth here and definitely made a mark for themselves. Lately, it's been Madhuranga Caldera, Shreyans Samuel, Ned Daniels, who's been the top-notch riders of this event. So quite a number showing up there on the start grid. 64. Ned Daniels already a few victories under his belt. That should be Madhuranga Caldera. Defending champion returning to the track. Number 43, Anthony Suresh. A little bit of a chit-chat with his fellow rider, number 77, Prasanna Subasinghe, someone who's had a very strong string of podium finishes. Shreyans Samuel does return to the track. That's very impressive, Haritha, because he was not expected to return today, but he did, so lots to look out for. Purnaka Alutge with Nishanta Ranatunga and Shaminda D. Pereira.
Interesting to note, there's the Suzukis, the Yamahas, the Triumphs, the Ducatis, and of course the Hondas. The Suzuki of Mohammad Afsa and the Yamaha of Madhuranga Caldera. Then the Ducati and the Yamaha of Ed Daniel and Shaminda Pereira, all there in that maximum capacity.
Bets on Caldera, Daniel and Shreyans Samuel. Top three for this event.
Big start. Big start for somebody right at the end, and he was not the regular. Caldera really homing in on the race leader. You find it difficult. Interested to know whether that was Shreyans Samuel. Ned Daniel. So the battle continues with Daniel and Madhuranga.
Actually, Ned has been doing exceptionally well, Haritha. He has been representing Sri Lanka internationally as well. So, and he's just, I think, out of his teen years, and he's doing exceptionally well. So we really like to see him climb that ladder of success. Last year, he was not that good in his performance. So this year, he's making up for all losses. But Caldera right behind him.
These are fast machines. They know what to do, but they'll take the safe option in that area, which is still rather wet away from the track. You get out of it, you get into trouble. Already one is in trouble. I just said that. Got to be very careful in that area. If you are not careful and get too close, there's a problem. Madhuranga Caldera and Ned Daniel. Excellent exhibition of fast riding. Heading into the Exide corner. They lose speed as they negotiate and enter the People's Bank corner. Getting out of it, they look for the double bend into the Kuwait Airways corner. Getting out of it, they will exit out and head towards the vast open spaces on the backstretch. Pass the Singer stretch, the Rupavahini stretch, the Siat stretch. The bikes are absolutely flying. Shreyans Samuel is on a 600cc bike, but extremely powerful. He seems to be slightly ahead of Madhuranga Caldera's 1000cc. And Ned in particular would be looking forward to his 999cc bike to take him out. It's Ned Daniel and Madhuranga Caldera in front. Who's lying third at the moment? So Prasanna Subasinghe in his Triumph Daytona. Mind you, it's a 675cc bike. He's done well. So this is Ned Daniel. He's really opened up quite a pace, hasn't he? take a look at that lapping in the process. Ned Daniel, he looks awesome, all right. Massive bike. Handling is not easy. This is as close as one could get to international racing. Enjoy. Two of Sri Lanka's young talent. Prasanna Subasinghe also, although lagging behind, is trying to keep abreast of the others. This is Madhuranga Caldera. Ned Daniel. Oh, he's still looking awesome getting out of that Seat corner. Side corner into the People's Bank corner. Next into the Kuwait Airways corner. Now getting out of the NGK corner. Got a fair amount of speed. Number 3, Prasanna Subasinghe is so far off, maybe a good 200 meters behind. Onto the home stretch once again, the race leaders flying, absolutely flying. Madhuranga Caldera making his move, great stuff. But can he hold on? Can he hold on? No, he won't. Great change of positions to the delight of the crowd.
The problem is, Haritha, Caldera tries, but unfortunately Ned Daniel has the racing line. So that's the advantage going into that gooseneck. So if you have the racing line, you know you can do well.
This is good. Absolute speed. Once again getting up in front now. This is a decisive move. This is a decisive move on the backstretch. Caldera didn't waste too much time, but he can't give away too much. See, that's a good work. That's good work. Into the Bank of Ceylon corner, exiting out of the Seat corner. Caldera has a clear lead. Got in position. Now catch-up work for Ned Daniel. Madhuranga Caldera done well in the race that matters.
Well, if he does keep this up, he will rightfully be defending his own title from last year's champion rider. So 2 years in a row would be a first, because no rider or driver has ever won consistently.
Come in, because I wouldn't know. Anyway, thank you for sharing your knowledge with us, Kanishka. Madhuranga Caldera, unmistakable psychedelic color for him. But the race is far from over, I'll tell you that. Now what has Ned Daniel done? Oh, they are lapping a rider, and in the process, Caldera has come on top. This is awesome stuff. But I like the riding style of Caldera. On that machine, these two riders have provided great stuff. See, he's the taller chap, Madhuranga Caldera. And see how well he balances on that very fast, rather heavy machine. Got to know how to toy with the speed. If you don't, these expensive bikes can get into
And
the
Ned Daniel takes out. That was a shocker, Harika. He just completely took himself out of that race.
Yeah, he got out of the track and he's back there. They had enjoyed such a big lead. He can still hold on to his second place, but in the process gave Madhuranga Caldera a clear lead. Caldera unchallenged. Almost took one or two media personnel in the process. Caldera, oh, he's elated. He's done well. This is number 2.
Well, Caldera surely must be celebrating right now as we speak, because this is a double win. 2 years running. He's the first rider, I think, in a recent time to win the championship trophy 2 years in a row. So hats off to him. Brilliant racing and good riding by Ned Daniel as well.
Oh, he's celebrating for all Sri Lanka to see. He has every reason to be overjoyed. Excellent racing. Oh, great stuff. Red Bull X-Fighters, be aware. Madhuranga Caldera, all Sri Lanka. Oh, great stylish he is. Fashion conscious, all right. This is that famous Dharmasri Caldera's son. But you've done well, son. Great work. He was all style. He was never overawed by the fact that somebody was in front of him. Prasanna Subasinghe, third for him. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Back on air, live from Katukurunda. This is the last race. Thank you for being with us all through the day as we brought you live action on the Rotherham Circuit Meet on Channel I, the leader in sport.
So Group SL GT cars up to 3,500cc race 2 already been lined up. Janaka Dias earned that pole position after he snuck past Dinesh Dehragone in the last race. So he's already in place, geared up for the event.
So it seems like an awards presentation is being lined up and this would be the last event, which was a great event on 2 wheels. Madhuranga Caldera with that bike there for him. He's on the top podium. Second was Ned Daniel, and the third was Prasanna Subasinghe. And presentation by Mr. Sugat Gunasekara, Assistant General Manager, Bank of Ceylon. The Bankers to the Nation, celebrating 72 years of service to the nation. Big trophy. Caldera very happy. Great race with Ned Daniel.